Hey there, fellow piper. It's Rick, and hoping this video finds you well. I'm sorry I'm not at 100% of my voice right now. Just want to share a short video with you. I'm going to open Moontrance just to give it a fair trial compare it with the Molto Dolce that I recently opened. I ended up buying this duo because of this guy, Moontrance. My very first order online, I ordered a sampler of CAO's blends, the Bella Vanilla, Irish Dream, Cherry Bomb, and this guy, Moontrance. Of all the four of them, this is that I like the most. And yeah, that's why I went ahead and ordered it. I ordered the set because I wanted to try something similar. I like this kind of aromatics. Although Molto Dolce is black Cavendish, barley, and vanilla and Virginia. This one doesn't have barley. It's just black Cavendish and Virginia. Topping is exotic fruit and bourbon vanilla. That's what it says here. So yeah, let's open the tin. Hear the whiff. Nice. Yeah, it's a different tin note than this other guy. I like the way that they package. Yeah, the tin note on this one is more fruity. The Molto Dolce is more caramel. A lot of sweetness there. This one doesn't have that caramel, super caramel taste, or tin note, sorry. Look at it. Look at it! Good old Beans would say that. This one is, I believe, ready to get loaded into the pipe, and we can see a lot of brighter tobaccos here, right? Well, let's load a pipe and I'll get back to you. Okay, loaded, up and running. Yeah, definitely not as sweet as Molto Dolce. If you're not that into sweetness or really sweet aromatics, you might get overwhelmed by that Molto Dolce. Oh, by the way, weapon of choice is the Algerian Briar pipe. Nice little poker. Yeah, good one. At least for me, more appealing. Yeah. I like the Molto Dolce. It's a pleasant blend. Maybe for me not an always or everyday smoke. Maybe just every once in a blue moon or so. Maybe because of the extra sweetness. And out of these two, I give this one 2 thumbs up, and Molto Dolce 1 thumb up. The battle is won by Moontrance in this case. nice, enjoyable. It may not be an everyday smoke, but sure is a nice option when you feel like puffing an aromatic. Well, my dear fellow piper, thank you again for staying with me until the end of this video. I really appreciate it. I will do some scissorings for my wife. She needs to cut some labels, or she needs to have some labels cut. I will do that for her. Appreciate it again, and yeah, until the next one, happy smokes and God bless. Bye for now. Cheers.